What's up, online shoppers? I just got a brand new beautiful Christmas wreath I want to share with you. I'm so excited to get it up in my Christmas decoration. Look at how pretty this is. It is just awesome. Now it's battery operated and it already comes loaded with lights and berries and pine cones. Talk about beautiful. Let's do a quick little install of the batteries so you can see just how pretty this is. Now look at this awesome little compartment at the back. If we turn it this way, it actually has a timer that you can put on so that this is only on for certain hours. And I think that's super convenient because then you're going easy on your batteries. So we're gonna put our batteries in. Just like that, 3 AA's. I can't wait to light this little guy up. Snap it closed. I really like how nice this compartment is. It's pretty cool that I don't have to get out a screwdriver or anything else like that. Oh, look at that. I'm so excited. So there is our wreath. Now it's a little bit compressed because it came out of the box. Now this is definitely going to become part of my Christmas decor. You can really fluff it up really nice. It's just gorgeous. Now there it is on my mantle. Let's get a nice close-up look so you can see just how pretty this is. Look at that. There's all these gorgeous little berries right in here and some glitter. Really nice actual real pine cones. Some beautiful red berries. I am super into this look for my Christmas decor. If you're looking for an awesome little wreath to hang on your door or to act as a centerpiece on your mantle, I really love this one. It is going to be a family favorite at my house.